Hey everyone, it's Tim Coddington, the Wildernut. I am in Minnesota in the Superior National Forest and I'm about to give myself a haircut. I know there's been some people anticipating this to see how it was going to go, so here we go. It might start raining because it's been off and on raining all day. I got some little cells up here and my neighbor is running a generator. It's like one of my biggest pet peeves in a rustic area is people that have to have a generator, for electricity. What's the sense? So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start giving myself a haircut. I think I'm going to start by not using my Mora. No, I'm not going to use a Mora. I'm going to use a wall. And you say, well, how am I going to do that out here? You're railing him for a generator. Well, I have solar and I have a Jackery. It's just a little battery pack. And hopefully it lasts all the way through the hair cutter. I'm going to look ridiculous or have to use my Mora. So I think we're going to start out with a number 2 on the sides. And got to spray your hair first, get a little moist, but I don't have a sprayer. Actually I do, but it's got ammonia and water in it. So I'm just going to use lake water out of the lake and get her a little moist. Just got to be a little moist. That's it. I know some people don't like the word moist, but whatever, I love it. It's just what it is. It's moist. It's not like wet. Well, this is kind of borderline wet. Now it's more moist. See, it's getting a little bushy. All right, here we go. Oh, I better put the little numbered thing on there, or the number 2. Here we go. It's cutting. My hair is getting shorter. Oops, got it changed over like this now. Hope I don't cut my ear off. Now, all you cosmetologists out there, I'm sorry. I know it's supposed to be like something left to the professionals. But I think I can do it. Either that or I will be bald. And one of my other biggest pet peeves is having hair down my neck. But I don't have one of them fancy Batman capes or nothing, so I'm just gonna have to live with it, I guess. And I'm not using a mirror, I'm just using my phone. So we'll see how this works out. You know, it looks pretty good just like that. Just kidding. To the left hand. We'll see how that goes. Oh yeah, I think I'm fairly ambidextrous. That might have been a little bit too deep there. We'll see. I'm probably not supposed to come forward, am I? Whatever. There's no rules in the outdoors. I mean, there is. Actually, in this national forest, you'd be surprised how many rules they have. And the boundary waters up here has even more rules than that in the national forest. I went yesterday I was going to camp on the boundary waters, and no, you got to have this permit and that permit. I can't see. I'm going to have to get the mirror. I look a little bushy on the side there. Oh yeah, I can get that just like that, I think. Somewhat. Maybe this handle it better. Oh, I got one stray hair there. It's a wild one. And I can't see anything in the phone. But, maybe a little bit of that over here. Oh yeah. And maybe a little bit more up here too. I know I'm all over the place. I'll get better though, I think. Maybe. We'll see. I about cut my ear off there. I know that's not possible. Looks like my power is still doing good. Now, to be on the safe side, I am just going to switch to a number. I don't have to even switch. I'll just rotate that. That's supposed to do it, isn't it? And just kind of feather that up a little bit all the way around. And do it like this again. Ooh, what? I felt something there. Whatever. You know, I don't even have to look at the back, so I really don't even care. That's just for somebody behind me in a line in the store or something. I only go to the store every couple weeks now. But I am heading off to an event this week, the Wild Harvest Festival, which should be great. There'll be a lot of people there. They're not very picky. They're a great group of people. Look in the mirror here. Oh, that's looking mucho better. But I can't see the back. Whatever. I'll just go over it a couple of times just to make sure it's short enough. Tapered in with that other setting because I moved the lever. So it should be like a 2.5, 3. I don't know how that works. But why do they have a lever if you can put a 3 on? Okay. Now, for the big deal, the top. I'm going to go with the, let's see, the eeny, meeny, and the miny, and the mo of a number 4 on the top. Here it goes. I'll go right down the middle first, because that just seemed cool. It didn't really cut that much, though. Maybe I got to go the other way? I don't know. I think it's cutting stuff. Not a lot though. I don't see a lot of hair coming off. Oh, I see hair coming off though. Doesn't stand up very good. That's probably why my niece, Tiffany, who's laughing her ass off right now, I'm sure. I'm sorry about the swear word. I'm sorry. I usually don't swear. I lie. I swear. I'm like a sailor sometimes. I just don't like to. No. Like when other people are around. Wow, look at all this hair. Whatever. It's all good. It's not cutting anything. Yeah, it's barely cutting anything. Did I go back the other way? I don't know. Oh, that's certainly cutting something. Whoa, that's a lot, I think. Hope there's no rule against leaving hair at a campsite. You know, I know it's leave no trace and everything, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And I hope you can hear me. Have I talking loud enough? Ow, that caught on my hair. Yeah, I think I'm getting the hang of this. It's looking better already, huh? It's a little... Let me look in the mirror. Huh, I'm getting there. And I can see where using the scissors, you can definitely get the hair to stand up so you can cut it down. Stand them up, knock them down. Oh, had the mirror turned the wrong way. Oh. I still need some more work. Hopefully 4 isn't too long. This is easy, huh? Why do girls get paid so much? Just kidding. I know why you do. Because you got to put up with us. And not only us, there's girls that get their hair cut too. Guys usually don't care so much. I'm sure some of the girls can be pretty picky about their hair, you know. It's like one of the most important things in society, I think. All right. How even does that look? It's not looking too bad, I don't think. I have no idea what the back look like, but whatever. There's the car coming by, they're saying, what's that dude doing giving himself a haircut? I'm giving myself a haircut. Talking to the mirror instead of the camera. I think it's finally getting down toward the hair standing up enough to get it cut. It is by no means a nice, even look, but I don't care. I've already had two people yesterday come by and wanted to take a tour of my topper camper. Not much to tour, but you know, one guy was just about to retire, looking at what to get for going. I think I talked him into it. He'd already talked to the four-wheel camper people. He'd already talked to Dean, the guy that sold me mine. Now I just need to go over the back a bit just to make sure there's no... Oh yeah, there's more back there. Whoa, jeez. Let me see how that looks. Comb it out a little bit. Nothing fancy, just a comb. How's it feel? Oh, actually feels pretty good. I think I just need a little trimming around the ears. Maybe a little touch up with that too to make her a little more marine-like on the sides. Semper Fi. I wasn't in the Marines, though. I was in the Girl Scout. I mean, the Air Force. That's what my Marine buddies call it. They don't even like camping anymore. I had enough of that shit in the service. Sorry, I swore again. Dang it. Anyway, I think you get the gist of it. I feel much lighter now in my head. I can't whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair. No, I can't do that anymore. It feels good. I'm gonna trim things up a little bit, and then I'm gonna work on my beard, I think. So maybe I'll be back, maybe I won't. I think I'll be back though. Let's see if we can see how that back looks. It's really hard to cut by myself to know where the line should be. We'll see. I can't see it. Look good? Speak up, I can't hear you. Just kidding. Well, I think all in all, that turned out pretty good. So now I guess I'll get on with the shaving. Again, I'm not going to use my Mora. I got a Bic right here. Can't see with the phone, though. Yeah, this might take a while. But whatever. I know how to do this. I can do this all day. Been doing this since I joined the Air Force. So I guess I'll come back when I'm totally done looking fresh. All right, it's getting there. Hey ladies, remember the mustache? Yeah, I did draw blood. Apparently I have a skin tag over here. I usually think it's a tick when I get out of the woods, but it's actually a skin tag, and It's bleeding. They bleed for a while, I guess, according to my buddy Mike, who cut his own off one time, his kin tag, thinking it'd be okay. Guess it wasn't. I'm gonna go ahead and shave this mustache off though. It's so 70s, and it's not near as bushy and big as it used to be, the Magnum. Well, all in all, I think that went pretty good. Look at that. Look at fly. That feels better, like a baby's bottom. And I have still 97%. This is gonna be backwards. 97% of my battery left. So I can do that all day. All right, now, next step. On to the Brazilian. Just kidding, I'm not gonna use my Mora for that. No, I'm not gonna do one anyway. I'm good. Well, all right, hope you enjoyed that. And let me know what you think. Think of anything I can do better, let me know. If you think it looks good, let me know. If I look good out here in the outdoors with my green and the green, fall colors, my rockin' home. Actually, the outdoors is my home. That's just my garage, and I got a bed in there. Anywho, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you later.